Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV.
Welcome to the second part of our video lesson on plant adaptations. In the first part, we learned how plants adjust to live in different environments. Now, it's your turn to show what you've learned. Let's have some fun and test your knowledge through exciting activities and questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we move on, let's have a quick review of what we learned about plant adaptations. Let's recall how plants change or adjust to survive in their environment. Are you ready? Adaptations to dry environments. Adaptations to wet environments. Adaptations to cold environments. Adaptations to poor soil. Defensive adaptations, and adaptations for pollination. Read and understand each question, then choose the correct answer. What plant adaptation helps cacti store water? A. Spines. B. Thick stems. C. Waxy leaves. D. Long roots. It's letter B. Thick stems. What type of plant is water lily? A. Xerophyte. B. Hydrophyte. C. Mesophyte. C. Succulent. And the answer is Hydrophyte B. What helps pine trees survive strong winds? A. Soft stems. B. Wide leaves. C. Pyramid shape. D. Hollow trunk. And the answer is C. Pyramid shape. Which of the following is a carnivorous plant? A. Cactus. B. Lotus. C. Venus flytrap. D. Acacia. It's letter C. Venus flytrap. Plants that store water in their thick stems are called A. Hydrophytes. B. Succulents. C. Epiphytes. D. Legumes. And the answer is Succulents B. What type of roots allow mangroves to breathe? A. Fibrous. B. Pneumatophores. C. Taproots. D. Aerial roots. It's letter B. Pneumatophores. What do legumes have to help them in poor soil? A. Spines. B. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria. C. Hollow stems. D. Sticky leaves. The answer is nitrogen-fixing bacteria B. The Rafflesia is pollinated by A. Bees, B. Birds, C. Flies, D. Butterflies. The answer is flies, letter C. Kangkong can float because of its A. Waxy coating, B. Thick leaves, C. Air pockets, D. Hollow stems. It's letter D. Hollow stems. Which of the following prevents water loss in cactus? A. Spines, B. Flat leaves, C. Thick bark, D. Soft stems. It's letter A. Spines. What type of plant thrives underwater? A. Hydrilla, B. Cactus, C. Pine, D. Venus flytrap. It's Hydrilla A. The spines of a cactus also serve to A. Trap insects, B. Attract pollinators, C. Absorb sunlight, D. Protect from animals. The answer is D. Protect from animals. Which of the following has a waxy coating to prevent water loss? A. Lotus, B. Pine tree, C. Rose, D. Rafflesia. The answer is Pine tree B. A plant with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in its roots is A. Legume, B. Succulent, C. Hydrophyte, D. Carnivorous plant. It's letter A. Legume. Which adaptation helps pine trees stay warm during winter? A. Thin bark, B. Thick bark, C. Broad leaves, D. Hollow stems. The answer is thick bark B. Write if the statement is true or false. If the statement is false, defend your answer. For numbers 1 to 7. Let's check your answer. 1. Cacti or cactus have spines to store water. False. Spines reduce water loss, not store water. 2. Succulents are plants that store water in their tissues. True. 3. Water lilies have air spaces to help them float. True. 4. Pine trees have flat leaves to collect more sunlight. False. They have needle-shaped leaves. 5. Venus flytrap eats insects for nutrients. True. 6. Mangroves have breathing roots. True. 7. Legumes like beans and peas cannot grow in poor soil. False. They can due to nitrogen-fixing bacteria. For numbers 8 to 14. Let's check your answers. 8. Rafflesia attracts bees with its sweet smell. False. It attracts flies with rotten odor. 9. Aloe vera is an example of a xerophyte. True. 10. Kangkong can grow in flooded areas. True. 11. Cold region plants lose all their leaves during summer. False. They have needle-like leaves that stay green all year round. 12. Defensive adaptations help plants protect themselves. True. 13. Pollination helps plants reproduce. True. 14. Hydrophytes are plants that live in dry areas. False. Hydrophytes live in wet areas. Identify what is being described in each sentence. Identify the correct term. You may also write your answer on your notebook. These are for numbers 1 to 5. Let's check your answers. 1. The ability of plants to survive in their environment. Adaptation. 2. Plants that store water in their tissues. Succulents. 3. Plants that live in water-filled places. Hydrophytes. 4. Breathing roots of mangrove trees. Pneumatophores. 5. A desk plant with spines instead of leaves. Cactus. And for numbers 6 to 10. Let's check your answers. 6. Plants that trap insects for nutrients. Carnivorous plants. 7. A plant with needle-shaped leaves that prevent snow buildup. Pine trees. 8. The relationship between ants and acacia tree. Mutualism or symbiotic relationship. 9. The process of transferring pollen. Pollination. And number 10, the world's largest flower known for its bad odor. Rafflesia. Identify the environment where each plant lives and describe its special adaptations. You may write your answers on your notebook. These are the given plants. These are the correct types of environment and special adaptations of each plant. Please check your answers.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. you.